आइए आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर यूनिवर्सिटी द्वारा आयोजित विश्व रंग 2020 फेस्टिवल में, जहां हम आपको दिखाते हैं प्रसिद्ध एक्टर अश्विन संघी से मुलाकात के कुछ अंश।
Level magazines and publications, her story, Shining Star, found a place in the top 10 of recently concluded Times Group Right India competition. So welcome to our session, Dr. Neelkamal Kapoor.
Namaskar.
So
nice to meet you, Neelkamal ji, and thank you for moderating this session. I'm truly honored.
The pleasure is all mine, sir.
So with this, I leave the stage, this virtual stage now between Ashwin Sanghi ji and Dr. Neelkamal Kapoor ji. So over to you, Dr. Neelkamal Kapoor, for running the session from here on.
Thank you very much, Siddharth. And Ashwin ji, I have read your books, and I never ever thought that I would have the opportunity of interacting with you for 1 full hour. So I must thank the Vishwarang organizers as well. And I know you do not need any introduction to your readers nationally and internationally, but still I would compliment you on the fact that books of yours have actually motivated the younger generation to, come back to literary pursuits. But I think for their benefit, I would again like to ask you a little bit about your initial phase of writing, maybe coming into writing, and and some significant things which would be useful for the younger generation for their motivation.
You know, Neelkamal ji, you yourself are a writer, and so you know what it takes to actually write. And a lot of people ask me, what does it take to be a writer? I said, well, the first step is to start writing. And because there are a lot of people who think about writing, but they don't actually take that first step to start writing. In my case, my background and upbringing was an entirely business-oriented background. My family is a business family, and my mother is a Baniya from Kanpur,
wow.
And my father is a Marwadi from Jodhpur. So in that sense, that was a deadly combination. It was taken for granted कि ये गद्दी पे बैठेगा और काम पे लगेगा. I mean, that was pretty much the approach कि भाई एक बार पढ़ाई हो गई, लिखाई हो गई, MBA कर लिया और उसके बाद काम पे लगो. And during those growing up years, the common factor that was running through my growing up years was actually my Nana ji, who lived in Kanpur. He was not my real Nana ji. He was actually my maternal grand uncle. मेरे नाना जी के जो बड़े भाई थे, he lived in Kanpur, and he was very fond of reading. So he had this approach of sending me a book every week to read. And he would say, बेटा देखो तुम तो बनिए फैमिली के हो, तो तुम लक्ष्मी जी की तो पूजा करोगे ही करोगे, पर एक चीज मैं तुम्हें बता देता हूँ कि बिना सरस्वती के लक्ष्मी जी भी खुश नहीं होती हैं, बिकॉज लक्ष्मी जी हर वक्त क्यूरियस होती हैं कि सरस्वती कहाँ गई. तो अगर तुमको लक्ष्मी की भी पीछे जिसे कहते हैं, अगर तुम्हें लक्ष्मी जी की के पीछे पड़ना है तो सरस्वती के पहले पीछे दौड़ो, तो ऑटोमेटिकली तुमको लक्ष्मी जी खुद ब खुद आ जाएंगी. एंड देन ही यूज्ड टू से कि देखो हिंदू अपनी जो हिंदू माइथोलॉजी है उसमें एक ही ऐसे डेटी हैं, एक ही हमारे ऐसे भगवान हैं जो लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती के बीच में विराजमान हैं, और वो हैं गणेश जी. जब लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती साथ बैठती हैं तो गणेश जी उभर के सामने आ जाते हैं उन दोनों के बीच में.